Good morning, Pratom 2, and welcome to another online YouTube lesson from Wantasili School. My name is Teacher Tim, and I'm here to help you along with our roughly about half an hour lesson this morning. Well, welcome one and all. Well, the first thing we need to do is ask the morning questions, and we're luckily enough to have the vaguely talented teacher Brian's coming along to help us. So, good morning, teacher Brian.
Good morning, Tim. Good morning, P2s.
Excellent. Well done. So, yeah, you can see we're in our garden and it's quite a nice day today, but we'll ask those questions in a minute. Okay, first question. As you know, I'm sure you could ask teacher Brian this question. It's the name question. So, it's teacher Brian, what is your name?
My name is Teacher Brian. What is your name?
My name is Teacher Tim.
All right.
Okay, what's your name, P2s? I'm sure you can ask your friends that question. Next question is, it's the how old are you question. So, Teacher Brian, how old are you?
I am 27 years old.
Ooh, very old.
How old are you, Teacher Tim?
I am 21. We're both very old. But how old are you, P2s? I think you're 7. Are you 7? I'm not sure. I'm sure you know. How old are you? BM. How old are you? Are you the same age? Yes, because you're twins. How old are you? Next question is, it's the where do you come from question. It means where were you born? Where was your mummy and daddy from? So, Teacher Brian, where were you born? Where do you come from?
I come from America. Teacher Tim, where are you from?
I am from England. Well done. But where are you from, P2s? Are you from Germany? Are you from India? Are you from Egypt? I don't think so. I am from, look at the flag there. I know where you're from. You're from Thailand. I am from Thailand. That's the answer that you need to give me. Next question is, you can see the house here. And this word here, it says Pichit. That's the county, the Jangwat, where the school, Wantasili School, is situated. So the next question is for my good friend, Teacher Brian. Teacher Brian, where do you live?
I live in Nakhon Sawan, Tambon Wat Sai, in this house.
Okay, Teacher Brian lives in Nakhon Sawan. So,
Teacher Tim, where do you live?
I live here too. I live with Teacher Brian. So we live in Nakhon Sawan. And where do you live, Pratom 2? I know you live in Pichit, I think. I think most of you live in Pichit. Next question is, we won't ask Teacher Brian this question. He's too old to go to school. But the question for you P2s is, it's the what school do you go to? Remember our song? What school do you go to? 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 That's our song to help you remember the question.
Yes.
And your answer, hopefully, is I go to Wantasili School. Excellent. Now, people who know the famous and wonderful Wantasili School will ask you the next question, and this is the class question, and it's, what class are you in? Means which room are you in? What's your class called? And your answer should be, I am in P2. I am in Pratom 2. Well done. Last term you were in P1, but next term you're in P2. Well, there's been a change in the weather, and this is the weather question. It's, what's the weather like today? And let's look up at the sky. Shall we ask Teacher Brian, what's the weather like today, Teacher Brian?
The weather is cloudy
Mmm.
and it looks like rain.
Wow, cloudy and looks like rain. It's not too hot today. I think it's only about 33 degrees. Samsip Samosa. So not too hot today. It's very comfortable. What's the weather like today? You can look up at the sky and answer that question for yourself. Now then, next question. I can see, Brian, you've got a very snazzy t-shirt on. So I'll ask Brian the wearing question. T-shirt, tie, shorts. Teacher Brian, what are you wearing?
I am wearing a t-shirt that is gray and black, and it's got a picture of the world on it. And I'm wearing a hat.
A red hat. That's America content. It's the North America and South America. Yeah. And it says yes on it, 2015. Well, I am wearing a white t-shirt and it's got a dog on it. Yeah, it says Rude Dog. That's my Rude Dog white t-shirt. But what are you wearing, P2s? Are you wearing a t-shirt? Are you wearing shorts or a skirt or jeans? What are you wearing? Okay, now we come to the like question. We've got two like questions, food and fruit. So it's like, don't like, and love. Okay, so first question we're going to ask you, Teacher Brian. Teacher Brian, can you tell us one food that you like, one food that you don't like, and one food that you love, please?
Well, I like hamburgers with bacon and cheese. I don't like mushrooms. I love pizza with bacon.
Wow.
Yeah.
So Teacher Brian, all the things he likes, he doesn't like, and he loves.
Okay, Teacher Tim, how about you? What food do you like?
I like cheese sandwiches. I don't like fish with lots of bones, but I love spaghetti.
That's a big
We
one.
all love spaghetti.
Yeah.
Okay, now just one fruit, Teacher Brian. What fruit do you like?
I like strawberries and grapes, and I love pineapples.
Wow, that's a cool fruit.
Yes. What fruit do you like, Teacher Tim?
I like oranges. I like apples, but I love lychees. Oh, they're delicious. And you can buy them now in the market, and they're very, very tasty. I love lychees. Last question. It's always the same one. You can see the little boy and the little girl, and they're holding hands. And the question is, who is your friend? Okay, Teacher Brian, who is your friend?
My friend is a girl. Her name is Pa.
Oh, Brian's friend is Pa.
Yes. And who is your friend, Teacher Tim?
My friend is Teacher Brian and Teacher Nick.
Yes.
Okay, so I've got Teacher Brian and Teacher Nick. They're
Yes.
both my friends. But who's your friend, P2s? Is it Kong Kwan? Is it Donau? Is it BBBM or Pui Noon or Cowpeng? Who is your friend? Sure you know. Well done. Well, that's our questions finished. So thank you very much, Teacher Brian, for helping us out today.
You're welcome.
And we'll see you next week.
Okay, bye-bye,
You have
P2s. Have a good day.
Excellent. Well done. That was kind of Teacher Brian to help us with our questions. Okay, now come to the part of the lesson where I have to put on my hat. And when I put on my hat, it's time for a story. And we've got a new story today, and it's called, got a bookmark in my book, it's called Dinosaurs Day Out. Means they're going out for the day. Kaitio. And meet Dexter and Daisy. They're both dinosaurs. Look, they're big green dinosaurs. And this says here, road map. It's a map. Map. Pen T. Yeah. It's going to help them find the way. Wow. And this is the map that they need to use to get to their friend's house. This is their house here. It's in Great Bigsville. It's a funny name. And which way shall we go? This is where the fossil forest. This is where their friend lives. So let's find out. You see the pictures. So they have to go all the way down here and down here to get there. From their house, down the road, turn left, follow the road round into the forest. Good. Daisy gets her backpack. Dexter checks the weather. Look, there's the man on the TV, and he's saying, in the south, it's going to be sunny and warm. Sunny and warm, sunny and hot. Look, there's the keys, the car keys under the TV. Can you remember the car keys? Oh, and now they need to get all the things together for their trip to see their friend, Delilah. It says, where are the car keys? I'm sure I've seen them somewhere. Daisy says, I can't remember where I left Delilah's present. Should we check? Yeah. There's the car keys under the TV. And there's the present. There's the gift on the table. Wow. You forget things sometimes. I'm sure you do. And off they go. There they are. Daisy and Dexter in the car. And they leave town. Woohoo. You can see all the pictures here. All the things they need. And they go past the airport. Straight on past the duck pond. And they look at the dial and they say, oh no, look, we don't have any fuel. Naman mod. I hope we can see a service station soon. So they need to stop at a pump. Do you think they will? I'm sure they do. Hey, and there's the pump here, look. So that means they're on the right road. There's the pump. Shall we check on the map? Let's have a look on the map. Yeah. Oh, look. So they're going down here. And then here. Look. That's the symbol for the pump. So that's where they are now. Cool. And they stop at the station. And they're hungry. So Daisy fancies toast and hot chocolate. So there she's got toast here and hot chocolate. But Dexter can't decide what to eat. Can you see what there's on the menu? Let's have a look here. Can you see the menu? Oh, there's so many tasty things. There's hamburgers, sandwiches, pizza, steak, salad, fish and chips, cakes, ice cream, lots of drinks, strawberry, banana, orange, apple. What do you think Dexter should choose for his lunch? Looks quite nice, isn't it? It's quite fun choosing from a menu. After the break, they turn off. They need to turn left, and they turn up the road, and they turn left. They've forgotten the map, but we can help them. So off they go. And there, they're going. They drive past the windmill. So they get to the forest. Here's the forest. I think Delilah must live here somewhere. Yeah. They're going up the hill. Oh, it's not a hill. It's Delilah. And she says, "Hello, how lovely to see you. So glad you could come." And that's the end. Well, that's a great story. When we start back up at school, I'd like us to draw some maps and some menus. It'll help us to learn how to use the maps and how to read the menus when you go to a restaurant. Good. Now, if you were looking at the group chat on the line, you might have noticed that I put a worksheet that you could do for all the Make an Animal book. Now, there's one more page in our Incredible English 1 books here, in our activity book, and most of it we can't do. We can do it when we go back to school, but it's page 57. If you can have a look at page 57, and there's all the pictures of the animals here, and I'd like you to write the names of the animals and draw a line between the two words that make up the name of the animal. Okay, so I'm sure you can see there's one there, and it's done for you, and it says duck, quack, quack, quack. So the top one here, what's this one here? It's well, all the animals are here. It's a hen. What else can you see? Oh, can see a donkey and a goat. Cool. And at the top of the page here it says colour and say. So you can see the names of the animals if you colour the letters in one colour, and you can read the words, which will help you finish the worksheet underneath. So that's a little bit of homework for you, page 57 of the Incredible English books number 1. Good. Excellent. You can post those up on the P2 group chat on the line. Now then, it's the time of the lesson that we are going to review our phonics. So you need a pencil and some paper, please. So if you have your pencil and paper ready, that's cool. But this lesson's going to be posted on YouTube, so you can always watch it again and make sure you've got your paper and your pencil. Good. So without further ado, just a quick review of the I sound. So we've got, it's the IGH. Light, night, high, right. Light, night, high, right. They've all got the IGH sound and the phonic I. The next one, it's another I sound, but it's written differently. It's the IE I sound. Pie, tie, lie, die. Pie, tie, lie, die. It makes the same long I sound, but it's the IE spelling. I. It's quite tricky English, isn't it? And the last one is another I, but it's just the letter Y. That's all it is, the letter Y. And the words that we were learning last week and the week before is spy, sky, cry, my. Spy, sky, cry, my. Okay, Good. So, you got your paper and your pencil ready? So today's Monday, and it's the 22nd of June. Monday, the 22nd of June. That's what it is today. It's Monday, the 22nd of June. So, let's quickly get my cloth out, write the things down. Anyway, okay, so the first word I want you to write for me is night. Night. So number 1 is night. 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 There it is. Night. Number 1. N-I-G-H-T. Night. Next word. Number 2. I want you to write the word high. High. Can you remember? Okay. And there it is. H-I-G-H. High. Good. Did you remember? Number 3. I want you to write the word pie. Yum, yum. Nice apple pie. It's quite an easy one, that one. Pie. It's the I-E sound. Pie. Pie. Okay, good. Next one is number 4. Die. Die. Look down. Die. Die. You write die like that. D-I-E. Next word. Number 5. Spy. Spy. Like James Bond. Su jet. Spy. Spy. Did you remember? And there it is. It's the S-P-Y. It's the Y long I sound. Spy. And the last one is what word do you think that is? That's right. It's the word cry. Can you write cry? Number 6. And there it is. Look. Cry. Cry. Night. High. Pie. Die. Spy. Cry. They've all got the I ending or used in the word. They're all spelt differently. Quite hard, but you can do it, P2s. Well done. So that's the I phonic. Right, now then, I would like you to turn with your Oxford Phonic 3 books to page 64. Page 64. Everybody got page 64? Good. Well, let's listen to the audio from the Oxford Phonic Book Teacher's website. And are you ready? Let's go. We're connected.
O W A. Listen and learn.
This is a bow. What's the ending sound in the word bow? O. That's right. O. Bow.
Page 66. B. Listen, point, and read. 1,
B. O. Bow. B. O. Bow.
2,
R. O. Row. R. O. Row.
3,
Y. E. L. O. Yellow. Y. E. L. O. Yellow.
4,
P. I. L. O. Pillow. P. I. L. O. Pillow.
page
Excellent. So it's the O sound. Bow, row, yellow, pillow. And it makes the O sound. Okay.